Here is the presentation for a virtual voice assistant by using Python. Now we are running the code. It will give you the output. Let's see what will it show.
Hi, Engine Assistant. Please give a command or say help me and I will show you what all I can do for you.
Hi.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Tell me a joke.
As I suspected, someone has been adding soil to my garden. The plot thickens.
Okay. News for today.
BJP confident of citizenship bill's passage in Rajya Sabha. Times of India.
It will tell you the headlines
Why
that
give
are
death penalty when Delhi air is reducing life? NIRP convicts plea in Supreme Court. News 18.
displaying on the front page of a Google. Play video Shape of You.
Video results for Shape of You.
It is redirecting to YouTube, and as you can see, Shape of You is displayed.
Video results for Education. See Shape of You is the display.
Who is Abdul Kalam? These are
Google
the
results for Abdul Kalam.
what time it is.
Current time is 22 hours 9 minutes.
Current weather in New Delhi.
Current weather in New Delhi is smoke. The maximum temperature is 20.00 and the minimum temperature is 15.00 degrees Celsius.
Make a note.
What would you like me to write down?
I am testing virtual assistant.
I've made a note of that.
Open linkedin.com.
The website you have requested has been opened for you, sir.
Show me my events. Email. Send an email.
Please type the recipient email. What should I say to him?
Tomorrow you have presentation.
Email has been sent successfully. You can check your inbox.
Tell me about Lovely Professional University.
Lovely Professional University, LPU, is a private university situated in Phagwara, Punjab, India. The university was established in 2005 by Lovely International Trust. Under the Lovely Professional University Act, 2005, Punjab Act 25 of 2005, and started operation in 2006.
Help me.
You can use these commands and I'll help you out.
Where is New Delhi? Yeah, it's showing Delhi is in India. I mean, whenever you come
The
and
answer
where,
is Delhi, India.
shut down.
Bye bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.